Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are playing an AirSoft experience in Belgium again. It's a great CQB field with lots of cover, vehicles and even 2 towers. But the most important thing of this field is that it is constantly changing. The game mode for today is the flag. We just have to take the flag and bring it to the enemy's respawn. So, let's get right into it. I'm back at the same spot. I hope the flag is still there. The enemy won and size changed, but now we have a new opportunity to take the flag. Unfortunately, the enemy team wasn't ready yet, so we have to do it again.
Oh fuck. Nee. Fuck. Ik was juist goed bezig. Nothing. What? Ja, is wel. Ja, that man.
Also this round we lost, but the new game started and the game mode is freeze. When you are shot, you just have to wait until someone revives you.
Oh, sorry. Ja, het. Oh nee, wacht, ze hebben mijn team. Laat maar, ze hebben mijn team.
I thought this guy was in my team, but actually he was an enemy. I just forgot in which team I was.
Maar bij jouw team, hè?
Luckily we still won the game. Sides changed and a new round started.
Bang! Ja, het is gedaan. Dus, ik ben heel goed. Bang! Ja, tijd nou weer. Die was al dood, hè. Ah.
Also, this round we won. At the respawn, a guy takes off his glasses. What is very dangerous, because you can lose your eyes. So guys, always wear eye protection. I don't know who this guy is, but he has some weird dance moves. Let's go back to the game.
Zie je iemand?
We won again.
Ja, heb ik er niet gedaan. Alleen wat vast.
I have no BBs anymore. I'm back, and this time with BBs. Wait a minute, I'm back in game. Let's shoot that guy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. But before you click away, tomorrow there is a new movie called Midway, and it's about the American Navy in the Second World War. So I definitely want to watch this one. So guys, if you don't have anything to do this week, go check out this movie.
If we lose, the Japanese own the West Coast. Seattle, San Francisco, Los Angeles will burn.
We got the order to launch.
We need to throw a punch so they know what it feels like to be hit.
We're talking about a couple dozen planes against a whole Japanese fleet. This isn't a fair fight. I don't know how to lead these men.
They'll follow you anywhere.
If you know that you came through when people are counting on you, you'll be able to face anything.